In this video, I'll guide you through how to color code events in Google Calendar. By the end, you'll know exactly how to change the color of any event, and you'll have some ideas on how to use colors to keep your schedule organized and easy to scan at a glance. Let's start from the very beginning. Open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. If you're not already signed in, log in with your Google account. Once your calendar loads, you should see your events laid out by day, week, or month, depending on the view you last used. It doesn't matter which view you're in for this process, you can color code events from any of them. Now, find the event that you want to color code. This might be a meeting, a class, a personal reminder, or anything else already on your calendar. Click directly on that event. When you do, a small pop-up window will appear with the event's basic details, like the title, time, and maybe the location or description if you've added them. From that pop-up, look for the pencil icon. This is the edit button, and it lets you open the full event editor. Go ahead and click the pencil icon. You'll be taken to a more detailed page for that event where you can change things like the title, date, time, notifications, guests, and of course the color. On this edit page, look for the color options. Depending on your version of Google Calendar, you'll usually see a small color palette icon or a row of colored circles near the top of the event details. This is where you choose how that event will appear on your calendar. Click on the color you want to use for this event. As soon as you select a color, you should see a preview of it applied to the event. A helpful tip here is to think about using a consistent color system. For example, you might choose one color for work events, another for personal appointments, a third for fitness or health, and maybe another for deadlines or important reminders. Keeping this consistent makes it much easier to glance at your calendar and instantly understand what your day looks like. If you change your mind, you can always come back later, repeat this process, and switch the color to something else. You're not locked in, so don't worry about picking the perfect shade on the first try. Once you're happy with the color you've selected, scroll if you need to, and then click the Save button. This is important because your changes won't apply unless you save them. After you click Save, you'll be taken back to your main calendar view, and you should now see that event displayed in the new color you chose. You can repeat these same steps for as many events as you like. Just click the event, click the pencil icon, choose a color, and save. Over time, your calendar will start to reflect your color system, making it much more readable and tailored to how you think about your time. That's all you need to do to color code events in Google Calendar. With just a few clicks, you can turn a busy, cluttered schedule into a clear, color-organized view of your day, week, and month.